Hi everyone, in today's video, we're diving into why fermented foods are so healthy and how they can transform your gut health. You'll discover options like idli, dosa, pickles, and probiotic-rich curd that are both nutritious and delicious. We'll cover the do's and don'ts of adding these foods to your diet to maximize their benefits. Plus, we'll share practical tips on the right way to eat them for improved digestion and immunity. Stay tuned to learn how these simple additions can make a big difference in your health journey. Classics like idli, dosa, and uttapam are rich in probiotics that promote gut health. Drinks like curd, buttermilk, and lassi are cooling and packed with good bacteria. Pickles, achar, and traditional options like kanji and fermented ragi porridge bring unique flavors and health benefits to the table. Even snacks like dokla and khaman combine taste and nutrition, making fermented foods a must-have for a healthy lifestyle. Fermented foods are loaded with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that maintain a healthy gut environment. These foods, like curd and buttermilk, improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support a balanced gut microbiome. Now, let's see how they help with immunity. Fermented foods such as dhokla, fermented rice, and curd can reduce inflammation, resulting in clearer skin. They also boost collagen production, giving your skin a radiant and youthful glow. From skin benefits, let's talk about weight loss. Foods like idli and dosa are nutrient-rich but low in calories, helping you feel full longer. This reduces cravings, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit and manage weight effectively. Now, let's see how they improve energy levels. Your gut is home to most of your immune system, and fermented foods like idli, dosa, and homemade pickles help strengthen it. These foods feed good bacteria, enhancing your body's ability to fight infections and ward off diseases naturally. Speaking of natural, fermented foods are also fantastic for your skin. The fermentation process breaks down complex compounds, making the nutrients in foods like kanji or fermented ragi porridge easier to digest. These foods offer an instant energy boost, perfect for kickstarting your mornings. Let's move to another important benefit: better nutrient absorption. Fermentation enhances the bioavailability of key nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamin B12. Adding foods like curd rice, ragi dosa, or idli to your meals ensures your body absorbs these essential nutrients effectively. Fermented foods don't just help you, they also take care of your heart. Fermented millet dosa or idli can lower bad cholesterol levels and help control blood pressure. These foods protect your heart by improving circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Now, let's see how they help with mood and mental health. Fermented foods like buttermilk or kanji can increase serotonin production, the happy hormone. This gut-brain connection helps reduce stress, enhance mental clarity, and improve your overall mood naturally. Fermented foods are also great for keeping inflammation in check. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of many health issues, but fermented foods like ragi porridge and fermented vegetables can soothe inflammation. Regular consumption lowers the risk of lifestyle diseases such as diabetes and arthritis. Finally, fermented foods help you live a healthier, longer life. The probiotics and enzymes in fermented foods, such as idli, dosa, and curd, build long-term health resilience. These traditional staples can help you stay strong, active, and disease-free as you age. Now, let us look at some important key points to enjoy fermented foods safely. First, eat them fresh for the best results, as freshly made options are packed with live probiotics. Include a variety of fermented foods in your meals to benefit from different probiotics, enhancing your gut health. Pair them with healthy sides like salads or fruits to balance out your meal and make it more nutritious. Gradually introduce them into your diet, allowing your gut to adjust, and always opt for homemade versions to avoid preservatives and excess salt. Here are some important points to keep in mind when consuming fermented foods. First, don't overeat. moderation is key to avoid any discomfort. If you have acidity or stomach issues, it's best to avoid them, as they can aggravate your condition. Stay away from store-bought options with too much salt or preservatives, as they can be harmful. Also, avoid eating fermented foods on an empty stomach, as it may cause discomfort, and remember not to rely solely on them for nutrition. Balance is essential. Here are the key takeaways from today's video. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, promoting better gut health and digestion. They help boost your immune system and improve skin texture, making you feel and look great. Foods like idli, dosa, and curd can also assist with weight management. Remember, moderation and balance in your diet are essential to maximize the benefits of these healthy foods. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. That's all for today's video on the benefits of fermented foods. We hope you found these insights helpful for improving your health and digestion. If you're new to fermented foods, start small and gradually include them in your meals for the best results. Don't forget to check out other videos and do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Stay healthy, balanced,